Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit Kunal, host on Intellect Digest, and today we have with us the Echo Show 10, the newer Echo, which comes with motion feature. So that's quite interesting. In this video, we are going to unbox this, show you what all you get with this. We're gonna quickly set this up in this video, and we are gonna show you what all you can do. So we are gonna tell you all the features that you get by buying this huge Echo Show device, for which you will have to shell out approximately 25,000 rupees here in India and approximately 250 US dollars if you buy it in the US. And the box itself gives you some idea of what all you can do. It has a very high quality 13 megapixel front facing camera with which you can do video calls. It has motion features, so it can actually track you. It says rotating screen with manual tilt, 10.1-inch touchscreen with adaptive colors. It has a 13 megapixel built-in camera. It has a woofer, which is a 3-inch woofer, 2 tweeters, and a very good smart hub, smart home hub, Bluetooth, hands-free with Alexa, microphone, camera button, etc. It also supports a lot of apps, so I'll tell you all about that. So opening the box, let me quickly show you by tilting it. So the first thing that you get is this power brick, which is right here on top. It's fairly chunky. Let me put these cardboards away. Then here you have some instruction manuals. It comes in frustration free packaging, so if you didn't notice, I didn't have to use any tools to unbox this. Just peel off the tape, and this is a quick start guide probably, which helps you set it up and gives you some basic instructions. Like, since it has motion, so it says keep it clear of objects, so you don't want the Alexa to hit on the objects, anything fragile like a glass vase, etc., that you may have on your table. And this is the last thing in the box, which is the Echo Show itself. And as you can see, it can very freely swivel almost 360 degrees here. Right now it has a cover onto the screen to protect it while it is in shipment. So as you remove this cover, it shows you the screen. It's a 10.1-inch display. So without wasting any time, let me quickly power it on. Before that, let me quickly show you the tilt mechanism. So this mechanism, the articulation of the screen, it's almost flat, and this is approximately 45 degrees tilt. So you can keep it anywhere between these two, and this has to be done manually. But this motion, this 360 degree rotation, can be done through the motor which is provided in the Echo device. So that can be done using the software. You can use it as video intercom to look at your house when you're away, using the camera app, using the Alexa app, using the front facing camera here. So those are some of the additional features. Let me quickly turn it on, set it up, and show you more details. I have plugged in the power cable, and this is booting for the first time.
नमस्ते, सेटअप के लिए तैयार है।
I'm setting it to speak in Hindi as well as English. So let me quickly get done with this network part, and I'll get back. I've added my password and username for Alexa, and then it started updating. It is right now showing Hindi language because I selected English/Hindi, but it is somehow showing only in Hindi language. So once it boots up, then I'll show you the further process. It is right now connected, and it is rebooting and updating, so maybe it will take a few minutes, so I'll come back. As soon as I boot it up for the first time, it is showing me the preview of how much will it rotate, and it's showing me almost the angle of its motion, so that I'm aware of how much it will move, so that there is nothing in the vicinity. So almost a 360 degree tilt, as you can see. And we are back after setting up the device language. I accidentally set it to Hindi/English, while I should have chosen English/Hindi. That means the English should have been the first language, which should be the display language, and now it can show me everything in English, and if I want to, it can also speak in Hindi. Alexa, follow me.
Following is now on.
So wherever I move now, it will try to follow me. So it's using its camera and sensors to track me. Alexa, how is the weather?
In New Delhi, Delhi, it's 31 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can look for thunderstorms with a low of 26 degrees.
Alexa, आज मौसम कैसा है?
न्यू दिल्ली, दिल्ली में छाए बादलों के साथ तापमान 21 डिग्री सेल्सियस है। आज रात आप न्यूनतम 26 डिग्री के साथ आंधी आने उम्मीद कर सकते हैं।
Alexa,
आपकी शाम
what is the time in New York right now?
In New York, it's 8:26 a.m.
Alexa, सिंगापुर में क्या समय हुआ है?
सिंगापुर में अभी रात के 8:26 हुए हैं।
So as you can see, it can speak in Hindi as well as English. It's able to understand these languages very easily. Alexa, open Audible.
Getting your selection from Audible. Resuming hedge fund market results. There's 26 minutes left in the chapter and 5 hours. 14 minutes
Alexa,
left in this title.
Go home. Alexa, show me my smart devices.
Use Smart Life enabled. Do you want to open it?
Yes.
Welcome to Smart Life. We offer the most comprehensive voice-controlled smart home experience with Alexa. Control your home devices hands-free. For example,
I'm turning off the motion for this video because it is getting a bit annoying because I keep moving slightly and it keeps following me. So I've turned off the motion. But it has all the echo capabilities along with the motion. Alexa, take a picture.
sorry, taking photos is not yet supported.
Okay, so it is not yet supported in India, probably because it is supported in some other countries. And if you just go into the interface, you can see there are different features available here. You swipe from this side, you get some other features. So you have the video home, and with this 10.1 inch screen you can log in with your Netflix, and you can also watch your Netflix Prime videos. You can also browse YouTube. So you have all this video library available, and anyway the music library of the Prime Music is also pretty exhaustive. So you have a lot of music support. You can also do video calls. To do video calls, you can use communication apps like Skype. You can set it up in your Alexa app, or you can also do Alexa to Alexa video as well as voice calls. You can listen to your audiobooks using Audible, which is another Amazon product. You can watch videos, you can track your shipments. You can also check your basic shopping things. You can add shopping products onto this. Alexa, show me drawing pencil sets on Amazon.
Searching. Showing results for drawing pencil sets. The first one is Kabir Art Shading Pencil Set for sketching.
Alexa, track my shipments.
A delivery for an order placed Monday the 19th of July has already been delivered.
Alexa, play Bhangra Beats on Amazon Prime Music.
Here's a station for you, Bhangra Beats, on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what is the volume level?
This device is at volume 4.
Alexa, volume 8. So this is 80% volume. Let me try and play this music again. Alexa, play.
Here's a station you might like, Bollywood Party, on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. So as you can see, it is fairly loud at 80% volume. Alexa, volume 4. So I've turned it back to volume 4, which is approximately 40%. And as you can see, you can tilt the screen up and down. You can tell it to follow you. Alexa, follow me.
I can't follow you because motion is off. To turn
So I have turned off the motion earlier, so that's why it didn't follow me earlier. But now if I tell it to follow me, it will follow me. So right now I'm moved to this side of the room. Let me come back towards the camera. Let me move to the other side of the room, and it is able to follow me almost accurately. There is a slight lag. After I move, it takes a second or two to face me, but after 2 seconds it is facing me. So say I'm in a kitchen and I want to see a recipe, it can actually follow me and I can move around, look at the videos. Alexa, show me recipe for lasagna.
Welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Smart Recipes. By the way, I can also offer personalized recommendations.
So I click the recipe. Alexa, what all ingredients do I need?
Are you ready to start cooking?
Yes.
Since this is the first time I walked you through a recipe, let me give you a few tips for navigating. I'll read the directions one
Alexa,
step at a time.
Stop. So as you saw, summing up this review, I would say that this is a very capable 10-inch screen. The display resolution here is 1280 by 800, which is not too great, but it's not too bad. The colors are pretty bright and the display follows you very nicely. The 360 rotation is one of the most unique features that I've seen on a smart screen. It has this 45-degree vertical articulation angle, which lets you adjust the screen to your liking. It has a very powerful 3-inch woofer with two 1-inch tweeters, which gives you a good immersive sound. It runs Netflix, it runs Prime Videos, it runs music from Prime, JioSaavn, Gaana, Apple Music, etc. It also shows you headlines from Aaj Tak, NDTV, etc. There you can play Audible, you can do drop-in video, which is an intercom, video intercom sort of thing. So you can keep an eye on your home while you are away using your Alexa app on the phone. You can track your shipments, you can order stuff, you can play music. So it is a very versatile device. You can put it in your kitchen, look at the recipes and use it as an assistant while you are cooking. So it's a really good device. So if you are willing to spend the 25,000 rupees, it is also a smart hub, you can control your lights, etc. So this device is a big thumbs up from our side. If you want to buy it, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section where you can pick it up at the best buy price with the best deals and discount on Amazon. So all the details are in the description section. We really like this device. How do you find this? Do let us know in the comment section. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.